the 3-minute critical success check. This is a quick process that I put together, and I'll generally use this on, say, for example, a Friday afternoon, just before I finish for the weekend. And I'll just go, rather than doing a full optimization of all my accounts, I just want to do a really quick 3-minute check so that I just know that everything is okay and that performance is running. The other time that I'll use this, and I find this strategy really, really helpful, is that when I'm on holidays. If it's Christmas time or on family holidays and I don't want to be doing long optimization sessions, I just want to do a 3-minute critical success check just to make sure that everything is okay. And the main two features that we're going to be using here is we're going to be using the Google Ads Overview Dashboard, and then we're also going to be using this Campaign View and Segment by Conversion Action feature, which is an amazing feature. So firstly, let's look at the Google Ads Overview Dashboard. Remember, as we've spoken about this before, this is where you can actually check up to 4 core KPIs at the same time. For example, cost, conversions, cost per conversion, and conversion rate. The other thing I like about this is that you can also compare any date range to the previous period and also the previous year. So what we're doing here is we're going to Overview, just pick a date range. Let's just say we want to go the last month. And what we can do then is we can just really quickly compare. Let's compare how the performance is. So for this one, we can go with the cost. We just want to make sure that our budget isn't getting blown out. We can then also go for clicks, just to make sure that we're getting the same level of clicks, and then conversions, and then also cost per conversion is a great one. Ultimately, you can choose whichever ones. If you want to go more by conversion rate or phone calls, you can change that all through. And as I said, you can do this comparison to the previous month. And if you want, you can even do this comparison to the previous year. So we've just done that quick check, and that, we've gone to the previous year. We've gone, look, we've spent the budget down, but our conversions are up. So we know that we don't need to worry. And that's just some really easy way to use this Google Ads dashboard. The next one is this Campaign View by Segment and Conversion Action. And the reason why I like this is because this view allows you to quickly see conversion data for each campaign. So if you only have limited time, you can quickly diagnose which campaigns are underperforming, if any, and hopefully there isn't any. But the way that we would do that is that once again, we could just remove that compare. Let's go into the campaign section. And you want to be using this segment and segment by conversion actions. And then what this does is this shows me all of the different campaigns and what conversion actions are running. So what I can do is then I can filter this down by the conversions, and we're going which campaigns are giving us the least amount of conversions, and I can just really quickly see what's happening in each of these conversions. The reason why I like these conversion actions is, for example, for this one, I know that form is actually a really hard form to fill out. When I mean hard, it's like about a 3 or 4 page form because it's got to do with childcare. So for people to be completing that form, I know that they're really engaged. And it just allows me to see that I can go through and check each campaign. If there are any campaigns, in this case, this campaign didn't have any conversions, but we've only just restarted that campaign. So I know that that is okay. That's got a valid reason for not performing. And then we go, yep, we're happy, and we can leave our check there. So that's how we can do some really quick checks using those 2 really key features in Google Ads of the Google Ads Overview Dashboard and then this segment function when you're looking at the campaigns.